This is the land of Ecuador, and it is good land. 1,000 years before America was known to the world, the Andean peoples worshipped it, and in spirit they still do, for all that they have comes from the land. The Otavalos are among the oldest of the native tribes still living in this part of the Andes. They were making pottery and textiles and bargaining in this marketplace long before the Incas came to Ecuador. They were planting fields of corn and a strange vegetable known as the potato. And they were a handsome people and proud, for their strength was in the soil, and they paid tribute to nobody. The strength of the Otavalos enabled them to survive conquest by the powerful Incas. It enabled them to survive conquest by the Spaniards. And all that Ecuador is and may become derives from that primordial strength. Because of it, festivals are held and people are gay and the marketplace is full. Because of it, dreams are dreamed and plans made and great works performed. Because of it, people travel and see the world, and the world becomes smaller and friendlier.